Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Call of Memes token. Ticker symbol is COME. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, April 19th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So introducing Call of Memes Yacht Club, a pioneering initiative set to transform the Web3 ecosystem by blending the playful spirit of memes with the luxury of yacht club culture. Now there is a total supply of a lot of tokens here. So that's a million, billion, trillion, 2 quadrillion, 100 trillion COME tokens. Now this token is on the core blockchain. It's an ERC20 token. There's 18 decimal places on this token. You can find the token on scan.coredao.org. They have 125,000 holders, 125,516 holders. They've had over 278,000 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. And their webpage is come.yachts. So, this token, it was just announced, got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, April 19th at 7 o'clock UTC time, which has already passed, so it is available on there now. Just got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search COME, and then simply just buy the tokens. It is that easy. Super simple. Now, their webpage here has a link to buy the token. I'm not sure where that takes you. But also they have an about section, contact information, join the community section. That'll take you to their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. We'll talk about that in a second. And it says the #1 meme coin of Coredao. So the Call of Memes Yacht Club, where luxury meets the vibrant world of meme culture, blending exclusive yachting with the dynamic spirit of meme-driven community engagement. We invite all memes to join the bustling Coredao ecosystem, collectively forging the trends of pop culture. So, introducing the Call of Memes Yacht Club, a pioneering initiative set to transform the Web3 ecosystem, blending the playful spirit of memes with luxury yacht club culture. This venture seeks to integrate the dynamic world of meme coins and the exclusive atmosphere of yacht clubs into a singular, immersive experience. Call of Memes Yacht Club is not just about coins. It's about creating a community where meme enthusiasts and yacht club aficionados can converge and thrive, featuring the COME token on platforms like Ethereum and leveraging decentralized storage solutions like IPFS for securing meme-related content. This club is dedicated to elevating meme culture to new heights, of recognition and enjoyment by incorporating elements from decentralized finance and exclusive social gatherings. Call of Memes Yacht Club is crafting a new genre of decentralized community that celebrates both wealth and whimsy, ensuring that the spirit of memes sails smoothly across the digital ocean. So they have a kind of like a meme roadmap here. It says our mission pillars. Number 1 is meme. Number 2, vibe and hodl. And number 3 is meme takeover. So it says no taxes. So if you are going to get this off of a decentralized exchange, you won't have to worry about slippage unless it's congested or whatever. 100% tokens in liquidity pool. LP tokens are burnt and owner has no control over the contract, it says here. So it does give you a step-by-step how to buy this token with Core. So you would download the MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or you could get the desktop version at metamask.io for the Chrome extension or Google extension. And then get some Core in your wallet so you could get Core off a central exchange and fund your wallet with it that way. I do have some central exchanges in the referral codes down there, some really good ones, so check out those down there. It says you can buy them off of exchanges, send them to your wallet, and then you switch your Core for the COME token using the contract address. It says you have 0 taxes, so you don't have to worry about specific slippage unless it's times of market volatility. They actually have an embedded swap right on their webpage too. You could just use that if you wanted to use that by connecting your wallet to there. And then they have a disclaimer just quickly. It says COME coin has no association with Coredao or other projects. This token is simply paying homage to a meme we all love and recognize. COME is a meme with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap, and this coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So they do have a Telegram that you could check out at COME Yachts. 2,645 subscribers on there. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's a great place to see updates regarding this project. Or you can follow them at COME Yachts on Twitter, and that is right here. They only have 7 tweets so far. They have 10,000 followers, though, in a short amount of time. They just joined Twitter in April 2024, so very popular project right off the bat. And they have like a full link tree of stuff in their pinned tweet if you want to check it out as well. Has a link to their webpage, Twitter, Telegram, you name it, they're all on there. And then, and then 5 hours ago, they just tweeted out about Mexc Global. So check out the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.